Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop, and I am using the one that is called Sk8ter. Now, this was just released here in July. It was part of like the boy collection, or like the boy layouts, because we were teamed up with, or we are teamed up with Scrap the Boys. And obviously, as you guys know, I am part of both of the design teams, but I wanted to take this Sk8ter and turn it into a girly scooter and showcase that girls can use skaters or skates too, or you know, like these little scooter type things. And here I am, I'm plastering on some black dots because I wanted it is paint. It's from Liquitex, and it's something new that I got in. I like these types of splatters because they actually give decent splatters versus like what the white paint ones that I was doing that I had to kind of water down or to make it, you know, look like water or look like paint splatters and whatnot. So I like these. I do know I have to say that I got the thin white one and it doesn't work as well as the wide thick one. So I know that for my white one I got to get the wide. I got to get the wide one so that it matches and so that it works a lot better. So I am using a Slice of Life from Amy Tan. I'm trying so desperately hard not to hoard these collections, but it's kind of hard when, you know, you get to love a lot of the new, you know, your favorites, your designers are deciding not to stay, you know, designing for, you know, designing for whoever they are, whether it's American Crafts, whoever it is, right? And so I am super sad to see that Amy Tan is disappearing from making these types of collections because, I mean, between Amy Tan and Crepe Paper and Paige Heavens, those have always been my go-tos, well, and Jen Hadfield too. And it's hard to kind of hoard these, try not to hoard these collections when you know that once they're gone because you can't, you know, there's not a new set coming out. So I'm desperately using these up because I really don't have that much left to go. I am very low on certain stuff for this collection. However, I am still pretty heavy in the 6x8 because this is the one where I had the kiboshel of let's use, for some odd reason, order in a second 6x8 pad. So you'll probably see a lot more of this collection come out with, or for me, bringing it out when I know that I need to use just up that smaller stuff because I don't have that much paper left of the 12x12s. I'm running low on that. So but ultimately, y'all know me, I still love using collections. I am not one to really hoard stuff, but I'm using it wisely on my collections. Let's put it that way. For that. So I decided to kind of fill out the picture with these frames because I'm gonna put little bits and bobs on it. I wanted the focal point not to be really much the photo, but more of the Sk8ter because a lot of girls think that they can't ride scooters or have things like this because, you know, it's a boy thing, right? When really in retrospect, the boys can, you know, the girls can do it too. And I am definitely not that me mentality type person. But Kaylin learned how to use the Sk8ter by one of her good friends, Jeremiah, when they used to be stationed here together with Kaylin, and this was one of the photos back then. I know that this was taken on one of our walks, and let me tell you, kid you not, she has her Vans, She has her foo-foo dress on, and she'll ride that thing like no tomorrow. Like, she is fantastic on it. She absolutely loves it. I have to find one that is a little bit taller for her, because because she's so tall. She's so tall for her age, and it's all from her daddy. I mean, I'm 5'8". I mean, I'm not short by any means, but I'm not tall. I mean, her daddy's between 6'4" and 6'5". So, and she's definitely going to surpass me. I already know this, just because she has hit a lot of the height milestones compared to what my son did. And my son has taken on my side, but he's still as tall because his dad obviously is a different dad from Kaylin, but his dad was 6 foot, and obviously I'm 5'8", so I'm not exactly short either. So I definitely have tall kids, and like I said, I definitely hit the mark with having taller children. So, Sk8ter Gurl, I spelt it exactly like this. I am totally an 80s baby, so 90s music and early 2000 is definitely my jam. And the song that I remember when I was doing this layout was definitely Sk8ter Boy by Avril Lavigne. And so I had to look it up because I wanted to spell Sk8ter exactly like she did, because I knew she spelt it differently. I just couldn't remember what the middle letter was or number at this point, and she spelled boy with B-O-I because obviously she's Canadian, so she spelled it just a tad bit different than what we do here in the States. But I absolutely love that song, and I feel that that is a fantastic song, and I wanted to emulate that title with that type of spelling. So that is why you spell Sk8ter Gurl. I will tell you this right now, if you all drop comments down below saying it's spelled wrong, it's not. It's exactly the way I wanted it, and it's exactly the way I wanted Sk8ter Gurl and the girl to be spelled as well. Just because I wanted it grungy yet still sophisticated like my daughter thinks she is, even though she is a total tomboy. And she definitely likes to play sports and be in those boy moments. So I went and got On Point from Spiegelmom Scraps. It's one of the older collections. Not sure if it's available or not, but I am definitely adding that girly touch to it. And up on top in the corner where I have that little bit of banner, whatever you want to call it, is where my journaling is going to go on this one. And that pretty much calls it. Now you'll see me finish this out. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. Obviously y'all know that I love her stuff. Check out the boy stuff. If you definitely want to see more boy layouts, make sure you go to the group and look at what we're all doing with the boy layouts, because we've got a ton. And obviously if you guys are doing something this weekend, I hope y'all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.